Hi, my name is Jack Smith. I'm the author of the new blog, Coping with Depression, at HealthyPlace.com, and just really pleased to be able to have this opportunity to write about coping with depression. Um, I think Coping with Depression is a great name for the blog because, it's not curing depression wouldn't be the right name, or defeating depression wouldn't be the right name for me at this point, because depression is something I deal with on a daily basis, and it's something I'm learning to cope with. I'll tell you a little bit about myself and my history. I was diagnosed with major depressive disorder about 7 years ago, but I think probably sadly, as in the case with a lot of people, probably especially men, I was suffered from depression on and off for years prior to that. It was about 7 years ago when I first went and asked for help, though. And currently, I'm taking antidepressant, and I take an add-on drug. I also get regular psychotherapy, which is really just kind of a scary-sounding word for talk therapy. I have a great team around me. I have a great psychiatrist and a great psychologist. Visit with my psychologist for talk therapy once a week, sometimes every other week. And I've just gotten unbelievable support, and it's been key to my recovery and helping me cope with depression. Decided to do a blog this summer. I had a severe episode of major depression. It was a very difficult time in my life. It was physically painful. I lost a considerable amount of weight, a lot of which I've managed to put back on since that time, but just felt hopeless and just utter despair for an extended time. That was this summer, and had probably gotten away from the things that I need to do to cope with depression and defeat depression. So I feel like I'm on the road to recovery now, and I hope this blog will help me. More than that, I hope this blog will help other people who are dealing with depression and trying to cope with depression, and maybe even people that don't even know they're depressed. And one thing I would say, I'm certainly no expert. I'm not a doctor. Just a person who has struggled with depression and can relate to those that are struggling with depression. So I hope the blog is a place we can have some discussion, some exchange. Hope to get comments from you, and hope to answer those comments in a helpful way. So look forward to seeing you around. Thanks.